Very good afternoon, folks. You find me here in the clay pots. Traffic jam. The lights. There's something wrong with the lights. The timing isn't how it normally is. Normally it all flows through nice and easy, but it never stays red here when I come through that way. It's something wrong with the timing's all gone wrong. Okay, it's turned to green now, but it's just a massive tailback behind me here, so far not good. Well, this morning we've got a lawn sausage roll from Baines for breakfast. The air, I remember Bro saying this to me, the air is full of the sound of these high-pitched squeals and squeaks and moaning. It's the sound of the fledglings, folks. They have hatched from the rooftops surrounding us in suburbia. The fledglings have hatched, and they are now big, plump, fluffy things bobbing around, standing in the middle of the roads, looking befuddled as if they haven't got a clue what's going on. A bit like Bro sometimes, and he's standing there. What's happening, man? So this is where a lot of them get killed, and there's see them all splat and squashed on the Kingsway. Just these spread eagled, a big splat of seagull gore and feathers and bones and all sorts of. Oh, it's disgusting. So that is the sound in the air at the moment. The predominant sound. Bro said he wakes up in all of July and August is full of this. The sound of these moaning fledglings, honestly, squealing little fledglings. So yeah, it goes right through your ears, man, it does. For the devil, there they are. Oh, fight, what's a fight? Oh, get in. Oh, got by the beak. Oh, that was quite good. What's going on, lads? Well, they're not happy about something here. Right, folks. You know how they have blue plaques for famous people on buildings, so-and-so lived here, so-and-so did this here. Well, there's a blue plaque for me up there. And the bingo says, this is where Jag Betty worked for 30 years. Well, not 30 years, but about 20 years. On that blue plaque right there, folks. I know, amazing, eh? Blue plaque for Jag. What I'm singing about. It's got to be the most iconic capo position ever, man. F sharp. Yesterday was the day before. All I said was, can I have some more? Then yesterday was the day before. When I danced across the floor, she looked at me like I was something crazy, and she said, I ain't got nothing. She said, I ain't got nothing here for you. No, she said, I ain't got nothing. She said, I ain't got nothing here for you. So yesterday was the day before. All I said was, as I thought, what the fuck, can I have some more? Can I have some more? Well, yesterday was the day before. Why's a crazy dancer across the floor? And she said, I ain't got nothing. She said, I ain't got nothing here for you. Oh, she said, oh, I ain't got nothing. Oh, I ain't got nothing here for you. Never quite sure how to put the capo on. When you look at people, some of them have it like this. Right, folks, you know how they have... I'll start that back again, didn't start that way, did I? Right, hang on. Very good afternoon, folks. This is Tuesday. Now then, can you tell the difference? What's happened to my car? There's a difference in my car, folks. Can you spot what it is? Can you tell? Can you see what's different about the car? Can you see? Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Yeah, anyway, so if you can spot the difference, that just goes to show you have been paying attention. And kudos to you. Very good. Right, in the meantime, time to go home. Fucking seagulls are still there, shiting everywhere, swooping down, scavenging. And Frankie has taken one in. I can't believe it. Honestly, what's he all about? Don't save me from bureaucracy, save me from hypocrisy, save me from the likes of you and me. Yeah, save me from hypocrisy, save me from bureaucracy, save me from the likes of you and me. We're all together but we're all apart. We're all together but we ain't got the heart to keep it all together. Save me from bureaucracy, save me from hypocrisy, save me from the likes of you and me. Save me from hypocrisy, save me from hypocrisy. We're all together and apart. We're all together like a star. Oh, terrible ending.